So if you want her to be happy, then you must take care of her and love on her. That's all this is about. Okay, well that's a two-part question, because if you're getting single strand knots or fairy knots, you need a haircut. And or you're not doing wash and go styling frequently enough and using enough conditioner when you do them, which makes life really difficult. You're not using enough conditioner. Remember, you should have as much conditioner in your hair as you have hair in your head. Conditioner, products that I think of when we talk about products and what you and how much you apply, I think of products as a tool to help me to achieve something. So if I know I need to detangle gently this beautiful, luscious type 4 B, C texture, I want to treat it like my favorite cashmere sweater. So I know that I need enough conditioner to assist me in feeling each strand and my fingers going and stopping and gently detangling. Something that a wide tooth comb or a fine tooth comb is just going to break the hair, because there's no feeling in a comb, right? So I take advantage of the amount of conditioner in the hair and my fingers, which are it's a far more gentle approach to detangle and elongating and prepping your hair for whatever you're doing after you're conditioning the hair. And you can also get single strand knots, fairy knots, which is called split ends, ladies. You can get them from leaving a wash and go style in your hair for too long, which causes your hair to lock up. And if you don't want your hair to lock up, then you prevent your hair from locking up by doing washing or styling every time you shower, or at least every other day. But if you haven't embraced that part, then you will continue to have problems with your hair. I didn't make your hair, God did. And I'm just letting you know I'm speaking on behalf of the hair, because the hair doesn't have a voice, and I am the voice for your hair, and I know what it likes and what it doesn't like. And independent of what you think or know about your hair or willing to do, your hair is going to dictate what it wants and what it doesn't want by the way it looks and it feels and how it performs for you. And she is not going to be happy if you are not treating her with the utmost care. So if you want her to be happy, then you must take care of her and love on her. That's all this is about. Love your hair. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.